This video shows us general use of the POS for walk-in based salons. To begin, we'll need to search for a guest in the database. Select New Ticket at the bottom of the sales screen. You can enter all or part of the guest name or phone number into the customer search field. I'm going to search for my fake guest. Notice how I only typed in a portion of the guest's name. That brought up the guest profile. When I click on it, it loads the customer data. I can also search for my guest by the phone number. If I found that my guest is not in the database, I can simply add them in. If I type in their name and no customers match search, I can click on the Add New Customer button at the bottom of the screen. This automatically puts in the first name and last name. I will need to ask for the phone number, and then I can put in the customer's gender and an email address if desired. I'm going to go to Save and Use. The Waiting for Credit Card Machine prompt has appeared, so my guest is going to confirm their email. Now that I'm on the ticket options screen, I will need to select options such as New or Repeat Customer, Age Category, Customer Source, Service Requested, Request an Employee, stuff like that. So we'll say that my guest is new. We have already selected their gender, and we can put in customer description if desired, request an employee, and select a service. Note that if you do not select a service, it assumes a haircut for the purpose of wait time estimation. I'm going to send this on to waiting. If my guest is already in the database, I can just go ahead and search for them. My guest has appeared, so I have clicked on their profile. If my guest's information needs to be edited, I can do so in the Customer Info button. I can edit their record, like say to update a phone number, and I can save and use. Now that I'm on the ticket options screen, I can verify or choose options like New or Repeat Customer. We'll say that my guest Mallory is a repeat guest, and she is coming in for highlights and an eyebrow wax, we'll say. I'll hit done. And I'll also make note of the employee that my guest has requested. I will go ahead and send my ticket on to waiting.